What if a drone could fly over a battlefield for hours and stay almost invisible to heat sensors? This is not science fiction. This is happening right now. For the first time in history, Ukraine has deployed a hydrogen powered drone in an active combat zone. It's called Raybird. Unlike normal drones, Raybird doesn't use burning engine. It uses hydrogen to produce electricity, which powers quiet electric motors. No loud sound, no hot exhaust, just silent flight. And this changes everything. Modern wars use thermal cameras to detect heat. Traditional engines glow clearly on these systems, but Raybird has a negligible thermal signature. That means it's extremely hard to detect, even with advanced sensors. This drone can stay in the air for over 12 hours. It carries surveillance and radar equipment. It flies deep, watches silently, and returns with vital intelligence. It doesn't attack, it observes. This breakthrough shows the future of warfare may not be louder or faster. Sometimes the greatest advantage is being silent and almost invisible.